Do you know how native speakers talk about eating too much during holidays?
Pig out and pack on the pounds.
Hi everyone, last time Matt and I talked about food going down the wrong way, غذا تو گلوگیر کردن, and he caught me, مچمو گرفت. He's on my case, بهم گیر داده.
Yeah, not my proudest moment, but today we're talking about something much happier.
Not my proudest moment. زمانی که یه اتفاق تو گذشته افتاده و مثل یه سوتی بوده. و شما میتونید از صفتهای دیگه هم استفاده کنید. Not my best moment. صفت باید superlative باشه.
Exactly. Today we're talking about celebrations, Christmas and Nowruz.
Christmas and Nowruz are celebrations. Celebrations به معنی جشن و اسم هست. Celebrate فعل هست. We celebrate Nowruz.
Christmas means Santa Claus, gifts, family dinners, and honestly, a lot of food.
That sounds very familiar. In Iran, we celebrate Nowruz, our Persian New Year. We eat a lot too. And after the holidays, we usually gain some weight.
You can say that again. For us, the holidays were all about pigging out and packing on the pound.
Here we go again, Matt and his magic English expressions. You know, in Persian, we say, eat like a bear, مثل خرس خوردن, and turn into a barrel, اندازه بشکه شدن.
Pig out و pack on هر دو فعل هستن. حالا میتونین این جمله ها رو کامل کنین و توی کامنت برای من بنویسید.
Well, that actually makes perfect sense.
So, in natural English, we say, pig out, مثل خرس خوردن, and pack on the pounds, اندازه بشکه شدن.
Different words, same holiday problem.
So, whether it's Christmas or Nowruz, we celebrate, we eat, and we enjoy being together.
And sometimes we need a diet after the holidays.
Now, tell us in the comments, what do you eat during your celebrations?
And what celebrations do you have in your culture? See you in the next episode.
Bye!